Good morning, boys and girls. We're back, Max and me. Had a good conversation with a really good friend of mine, Mario, this morning about his next firearm purchase. And he's stuck between 9 and 40, 9mm and 40. I figured I'd shoot another video and see if it could help him out with his decision. Me and Max don't really want to get into a caliber debate, which has been going on for quite some time. You got camps on all sides, but this is a 9mm on the left and a 40 Smith & Wesson on the right. In my opinion, I like both. But if you're going to get one gun and you don't know which one to go with, have another option for my friend Mario to consider. And he's also, I'll put it on in the next screen, he's looking at a Glock 19X. And I actually like that pistol. My nephew Davi just picked one up, and I like all Glocks actually, but 19X, if it was my only Glock, nothing wrong with it, but I would, for cases like now, COVID-19, you know, went by, I saw ammo prices spike, I saw ammo shortages in the stores, shelves were empty. Why not have the option for both? In case there's a shortage of one, you could always get the other, and there's a way to do that. Is by going with a 40 caliber Glock. Same thing could be done with the 45s and 10mm, but I'm going to talk to you about 9 and 40 versatility. That's a good word. Okay, although not a Glock 19X, Glock 19X is newer than this. It's more kind of like on the Gen 5 platform. This is a Glock 19 Gen 4, and another difference is the Glock 19X has the same length, barrel, and upper, but it has the Glock 17 mag and grip, so it's longer here. Anyhow, the point I'm trying to make is that this is the 9mm Glock, and this is the 40 caliber Glock. Comparable model. This is the Glock 19 Gen 4, and this is the Glock 23 Gen 4. For all intents and purposes, these two guys, they're basically the same pistol with some minor part differences because of the different size bullets. When you're going to convert it, you can't go from 9mm and say I want to shoot 40 as well. You can't go backwards. It's not backward compatible. Since this is the bigger bullet, it has the bigger barrel diameter. You know, 9mm can fit in there, but a 40 cannot fit in that barrel, if that makes sense, or in that slide to receive the barrel. I believe some people are saying, other than a 9mm mag and a 9mm conversion barrel, that there might be a couple of other parts, the main ones being this part right here, the extractor that pulls the empty shell casing, and inside the ejector that pops the shell. So I guess if you wanted to make this exactly like this, if you change those 4 parts, you're getting closer. But the people at 80% Glock is where I got this conversion barrel. Their statement was barrel and mag, and that's all you need. And for the most part, I didn't shoot like thousands of rounds or anything, but for the most part, out of the couple hundred rounds of 9mm, it's been flawless. This guy with this barrel and this mag acts a lot, or exactly like this pistol. Okay, just noticed the time. I'm going to try to make this quick. I forgot one other part. This guide rod and spring assembly, that's different between the 23 and the 19 as well, I believe. And another thing to consider, since we're already doing this, is there's yet another caliber, 357 SIG, that is basically the same thing as the 40 as far as parts go. I believe it's the same slide and ejector and extractor and all that, I think, because the shell casing on the bottom of the 357 SIG is like the 40. The bottom is like the 40 and the top is like the 9. All right, so let's go take about 3 shots of each and go shoot it. Not too far, it's a lot of overcast, it's been raining, can't go too far deep in the woods, so just like 3, 3, and 3. I'm not normally a left-handed shooter, but I still don't have a tripod, and I want to try. Now, this is an experiment. I want to try with an overhead view to see the bullets, how they are cycling, feeding, extracting. See if we get a close eye on that. I'm just going into a tree. I'm not even target shooting. But here we go. That was very awkward, being left-handed and the power of the 40. I saw my hand try to absorb the recoil, but here we go. And I'm overhead. I'm not even lined up behind the sights, but this is the 9mm 80% Glock. And they all cycle. Last but not least, the 357 SIG. I forgot to tell you the manufacturer of this barrel. It's a EFK Fire Dragon. That joker kicks.
Just want to assure you all, during the making of this video, this was the only thing I was drinking. That was half speed. I used the video editor built into my cell phone to try to slow it down for you guys, hence the drunken slur. But I hope you got a laugh out of that. Mario, I don't know what to tell you. Just another option for you. Glock 19X, beautiful. I might get one myself. Just throwing that option out there. Max, you want to say bye? You want to say anything, guy? All right. Hope you all enjoyed that video. Till next time, be good.